Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Gosh, it sure is a soggy start to this Monday morning, but this is going to be a rapidly changing situation today. So at least it's not going to be steady state. We're not going to be dealing with this heavy rainfall for the entire day. These are the latest 24-hour rainfall totals in from various airport locations across the area. You can see the rain has been, well, at least relatively so, a little bit lighter up toward the Niagara frontier as compared to areas to the south. We're over an inch and a half now down at Jamestown, over an inch at Bradford. So I think the flood threat will be greatest across the southern tier and into the northern tier counties of PA. Not to say that we won't have some problems across the Niagara frontier, but at least the chance of some flooding definitely will be much greater down in this direction because of the heavier rainfall falling down across that area. But I do have some good news this morning. This is a very swiftly moving storm system, very quick moving storm. Again, we're dealing with similar to the one that we had back on Friday that brought us that quick dose of snowfall Friday morning. This is going to start to move out very rapidly. In fact, the back edge of the precipitation is actually edging close to the Niagara frontier already. We're starting to see the rain break up across sections of Chautauqua County. We're still going to be into some rain for this morning, but at least the more moderate to heavier rainfall, these yellow orange shades starting to push off to the east now into Allegheny County, and we'll be exiting that area into Steuben County probably within the next half hour. Well, the spring countdown is on. We can't forget about this, can we? We're down to 20 more days to go. Let's check out your weather for today around the city of Buffalo, surrounding suburbs. 43 degrees to begin the day. A wet commute, at least this morning. The rain tapering off at noontime, 37. And by 5 p.m., wouldn't be surprised to see some breaks of sun returning to our sky with readings dropping down through the 30s this afternoon. It's going to be turning colder again, and the breeze starts to pick up later this afternoon. This precip might wrap up as a few snow showers across the area. You can see the heavier rainfall moving rather rapidly off to the east as we get into the afternoon. We start to see a few of these blue shades here, but also some breaks in the cloud cover already by late afternoon and into the early evening. As we work toward nightfall, mostly clear skies take hold, at least for the overnight period. The breeze drops off overnight. Definitely much colder overnight. And tomorrow we have a seasonably chilly day shaping up, but a pretty day. Lots of sunshine on tap across the area for this Tuesday. Another reinforcing shot of cold air will bring us a few snow showers around here as we get along into Wednesday. Nothing big at this point, and morning clouds giving way to some partial sun. A wet morning commute region-wide on all of the major highways this morning, the main line east and west that goes for the highways north and south of the city, also the QEW and the I-86. Big temperature range on the map this morning. It's much milder to the south, much colder to the north. 37 at the Falls, presently 44 in Buffalo, 50 down here at Dunkirk, and 41 at Bradford, 39 at Wellsville. A little chillier in the interior sections, too. Soaking rain, moderate to heavy at times this morning, tapering off this afternoon. Watch out for areas of fog limiting visibilities, too, especially in the higher terrain. Chance of some thunder early on. A flooding potential exists pretty much right through the day, but maybe some breaks in the clouds by later this afternoon, with temperatures falling from 40 to 50 early down through the 30s this afternoon. Mostly clear, back to seasonably cold readings again tonight. In fact, maybe even colder than that, 15 to 20 degrees. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny, seasonably cool, 32 to 37. And on Wednesday, chance of a few snow showers. Clouds giving way to partial sun, 28 to 33. Another storm heads our way, or weather system toward Friday. It looks like a wintry mix going over to rain and a high of 40 degrees.